2. Okay, so what you want to do, it's asking for you to find the acceleration of the two blocks if the coefficient of friction is 0.38. So these are some equations that you can use. Force of total equals mass times acceleration, force of gravity equals mass times gravity, force of friction equals mu times normal force. So it gives you the mass of the first object is 16 kilograms, mass of the second one is 13 kilograms, and then mu is the coefficient of friction, and it gives you that, which is 0.038. And then you know G is 9.8 meters per second. That's always given, and it's positive. So it gives you this picture, but so you know that this is always going to be the force of gravity because it's pulling down the object. And then this is just like a normal tension force pulling up on the object. And then the force of friction, which is right here, is pulling back on the object. And so you can label those as such, and then FG1, and then over here you got FG2, which is pulling down on the gravity of the object. So once you have all these things, you can set up an equation. So you know that FG1 equals up here f of n. So those two pretty much just cancel, so you can just kind of do that, or they're equal, whatever you want to do. And then you can come over here and go ft equals f of g2 minus f of f. And so through this, you know you can substitute. So total is, you can do mass, which is the total of the two masses, times the acceleration, and then substitute for Fg, which is second mass, so you can do m2 times g, and then minus m f of n. And so then from here you kind of just, you can substitute some more, so you can go m1 plus m2 times a equals m2g, and then you can substitute and go mu mg, and then from here it's just plugging and chugging numbers until you find what you need. So 16 plus 13 times that acceleration equals 13 times gravity, 9.8, minus mu, which is coefficient of friction, which is 0.38, times mass, which is 16, times 9.8. Okay, and then you just plug that into your calculator, and you find the acceleration, which equals 2.34 meters per second squared. So once you find the equation, once you find this base equation, you can substitute using these equations, and once you substitute to things that you already have, then you can find what you're looking for.